Let's learn divisibility rules today. Divisibility by 2. To check if a number is divisible by 2 or not, what we need to check? We need to check its unit place digit should be an even number. And what are even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even number. So this is divisible by 2 because its unit place digit is 8, which is even number. So it is divisible by 2. Similarly, this is 4, which is there in even number set, so it is divisible by 2. This unit place digit is 9, which is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. So to check whether a number is divisible by 2, we only need to check its unit place digit. Now divisibility by 3. For divisibility by 3, we need to add the digits, like we will be adding these digits 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. And we need to check if the answer is divisible by 3 or not. What will be the answer of this? 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Yes, 18 is a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now here, if I will add the digits, what I will get? I will get 13, which is not a multiple of 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Now by 4, what we need to do? We have to check whether the last two digits are divisible by 4 or not. So these last two digits are not divisible by 4 completely because we are getting 2 as remainder. So this 478 is not divisible by 4. Let us check for this number. Last two digits are divisible by 4. Let us check how they are divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 24. 4 6 are 24. So they are completely divisible by 4 because we are getting remainder 0. So therefore this number is divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 5 is very easy. We just need to check unit place digit should be 5 or 0. 5. So this is divisible by 5 or 0. This is divisible by 5, but this is not divisible by 5. Divisibility by 10 is also very simple. In this we just need to check its unit place digit should be 0. So this is divisible by 10. This is divisible by 10, but this is not divisible by 10 because the unit place should be 0. Now divisibility by 6. Now a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Like 784. 4 is there, so it is divisible by 2. Now if I will add the digits, what I will get? I will get 7 plus 8, 15 plus 4, 19. So it is not divisible by 3. So this number will not be divisible by 6. If it has to be divisible by 6, both should be, yes, it should be divisible by 2 as well as it should be divisible by 3. Similarly, this number is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2. So this is also not divisible by 6. If a number is both divisible by 2 as well as by 3, then only I can say that the number is divisible by 6. Suppose this 1368. Now this number is divisible by 3 as well as by 2 also because last digit is 8. So this number is divisible by 6. Now divisibility by 8. For divisibility by 8, it is similar like 4, but in 4 we check last two digits. In 8 we check last three digits whether they are divisible by 8 or not. 8 4s are 32 and what I will get? 8 6 are 48. So it is completely divisible by 8. So it means 1368 is also divisible by 8. Now the next is 2781, for which we will be checking the divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 3 are same. Likewise, we need to add the digits and check if it is multiple of 9 or not. Like what we will get? 9 plus 9, 18. So it is a multiple of 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Now we missed out divisibility by 7. Now divisibility by 7 is little complex. So instead of using the divisibility, we directly divide the number by 7 and check. But I will tell you what is the divisibility test of 7. What we need to do? Unit place digit we have to multiply by 2. We will get 8. This 8 we have to subtract from the remaining number. What we will get? 70. Now we have to check if 70 is multiple of 7 or not. Yes, it is multiple of 7. So this number is divisible by 7. So I repeat, we will multiply this by 2, we will get 8, and this 8 we will subtract from the remaining number. If after subtraction I am getting the number which is divisible by 7, then the given number will also be divisible by 7. Let us check it with another example. Multiply by 2. Unit place digit I have multiplied by 2. What I got? I got 14. Now this 14 I will subtract from the remaining number. 136 minus 14. What I will get? 122. Now again on 122 we have to apply the same test. Multiply with 2, we will get 4, and I have to subtract this 4 from this 12. What I will get? 8. Now 8 is not a multiple of 7. So this number is not divisible by 7. So this divisibility test of 7 is little complex. That is why instead of doing this procedure, what we do, we directly divide the number by 7 and check.